This is the Shaw Type 531 60mm fuel cap. It's very common on GA airplanes. It's a great design, and it's been around for years. The only problem with it, the friction from underneath the cam and the washers down here. Now there's a solution with the Marsh Brothers AeroTough fuel cap washer. All we do is replace the stainless steel washer inside the cap with the Marsh Brothers AeroTough one, and the problems are solved. It's easy to take it apart. It consists of a locking cam, the pin, small O-ring, and a large ring out here. And you should probably replace the O-rings when you add the AeroTough washer. We take the washer out and replace it with the Marsh Brothers AeroTough washer. Reinstall the pin and put a little DC-4 grease on it when you do. Put the washer inside, then add the spring. Then add the inner element and the inner portion with the tab, and then the nut. Your mechanic is used to doing it this way. When you're at the airplane, your mechanic will secure the nut with a cotter pin like this one once the compression has been properly set. You're going to find that the friction is always the same when you lock and unlock the cap, and it's going to put the right compression on the O-ring every time. And the guys on the line crew are going to be very happy.